I found a tool that replaced my entire account. It cost $12. And it's not just any tool. It's an AI-powered solution that helped a 22-year-old build a $100,000 portfolio. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to replicate this success. Midnight last year, I predicted that AI would revolutionize personal finance apps. Here's what happened. The best personal finance app of 2025, Mint, integrated advanced AI features, boosting user engagement by 40%. 30. But how do we make these predictions? We use a combination of historical data, current trends, and AI analysis. Our data sources include major financial platforms like Robinhood and Fidelity, along with cutting-edge AI tools like Claude AI. This allows us to forecast market movements with unprecedented accuracy. 130. Let's dive into our first prediction. The safest bet right now is the continued growth of renewable energy stocks. Over the past 5 years, the sector has seen a compound annual growth rate of 15%. With global commitments to reduce carbon emissions, this trend is likely to continue. The biggest risk? Policy changes. But given the current political climate, I'm 80% confident in this prediction. 330. Prediction number 2 is a bit more uncertain. We predict a moderate dip in tech stocks by Q4 2026. While tech has been a reliable performer, recent data shows a slowdown in consumer spending. However, tech companies are rapidly adapting, which could mitigate this risk. So it's a 50-50 it's called. 530 now for the controversial one. Most people won't believe this, but we predict a significant rise in gold prices by the end of 2026. Historically, gold has been a safe haven during economic uncertainty. With ongoing geopolitical tensions, this makes sense. The biggest risk? Unexpected economic stability. But I'm 60% confident in this call. 730. And here's our wild card prediction. There's a 30% chance of a major cryptocurrency regulation overhaul by mid-2027. If this happens, it could drastically reshape the crypto landscape. The implications are huge, but the likelihood is low. It's a long shot, but one worth watching. 9 o'clock. So, how do you prepare for these predictions? For renewable energy stocks, consider adding them to your portfolio gradually. For tech, keep a close eye on consumer trends. For gold, it might be wise to diversify. And for crypto, stay informed about regulatory developments. 1030. Bookmark this video. I'll revisit these predictions in 6 months. If you're enjoying this, hit subscribe. We post stories like this every day, and you don't want to miss the next one. Tomorrow, the sister's revenge 3 months later. Do not miss it. Has someone in your family ever done something like this? One sentence, tell me below.